and nothing tight, dry. You understand? Chip up my hood now. Now me have to take 2 days, 3 days to heal again. You have to understand the rope, so me I tell you, you know. Me I want to know some other girl takes off to get blood clot with like on a robot. You have blood clot robot. You have a pre-levels. Thank you. But me said so, as me said so in your blood clot, go me feel paka. Hey girl, what your pussy name? Paka. Me your pussy all a reason. You understand? Me finger your pussy talk to me. Yeah. That's why for a while I start pretty slim girl them, you know. Come here, tell us about the slim girl them. Cause you saw the fat girl them bend over, me not tell a lie. I'm fat, you if you admit to it. When you bend over somehow, you know, me not say nothing, you know. So the slim girl them bend over. Jesus, blood clot, Christ. Boy, oh God. When the slim girl them bend over, you see all like pussy back way, so. But the fat girl them pussy wet. As I touch them, them pussy wet. Me like that. I mean, I tell about. You see, thick girl them now, Lord God. Jesus Christ. Me just a fucking brown girl them. Because slavery was abolished 1850. And me like so my black could have gone on a white pussy. Me a black clout on slavery shit now, girl. It's a black man a fuck you. You know, fight my parents and fight for them blood clot privilege, girl. Eh? You know, my parents and fight and all of my black nature and them dead. Eh? Hey, girl, take fuck. Yes, man. Slavery was abolished 1850. All of the black people them dead for free to foreign. And we discover Jamaica and Marcus Garvey and all of them. And Columbus and Bustamante, all of them when them find Jamaica. Because the raft and the depend. Slavery abolished. And we know. We are fucking brown girl, them and know say, hey girl, and we are controlling the blood clot slave ship right now. Hey girl, take fuck. Maybe got blood clot are going in your white pussy. Your pink pussy tongue. Oh my God. Hey girl, take fuck. Oh my God. So call about brother. So call about brother.
Need you call it desperation. It's like the best vacation. Keep me coming destination. Entertainment wasn't nearby. Only gonna hear is
Hey, genocide Empress, don't worry about me being. Don't worry about if me being. Don't worry if me beard. Don't worry if me beard. You watch people too much. That video. You watch blood clot people too much. But if me blood clot beard. Watch me.
If your ways, nothing for you. Fuck you so good, make you feel like you want.
Bumbleclot! Hey, girl! Hey, girl!